Tamiko. Welcome to another cigarettes video, Games Edition. Today I'll be teaching you how to play Chaka Chaka One, Chaka Chaka Two. What does that look like? It's a game very similar to Batuliri Save. Check out our previous video to see what that is all about. But today I'll be teaching you about Chaka Chaka One, which is a rhythmic song playing with yarn. I'll explain. The levels are the same as Batuliri Safe. Let me remind you. Let's go. The different levels of difficulty for Chaka Chaka One are level 1 at your ankles, level 2 behind your knees, level 3 under your butt cheeks, level 4 around your belly button, level 5 on your armpit. I think after that it becomes too complex to still be doing Chaka Chaka One. Now let me show you how to play that game. Chaka Chaka is actually to guide you on the rhythm of the game. The rhythm of the game is inside, inside, outside, outside. Your feet go inside the yarn, one, the next foot, and then you jump out in a jumping method. So Chaka Chaka One, Chaka Chaka Two, Chaka Chaka Three. You do it like that. You decide as the teens how long you have to keep going, but technically that's it. Let me show you how to do it. You ready? Let's get started. So, don't know if you can see my yarn. So, inside, inside, outside, outside, in a rhythmic pattern. So the Chaka Chaka word is to guide you on how quickly you're meant to move your feet. You go Chaka Chaka One, Chaka Chaka Two, Chaka Chaka Three, and you keep going. And you can do it with all the team members doing it, or individually depending on how you go. But yeah, that is Chaka Chaka One, Chaka Chaka Two. Next time you have some yarn, play some game with your kid or with your other people around. Until next time, Josiame. Bye.